English pronunciation poem The Chaos by Gerald Knowles. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, corpse, horse, and worse. I will keep you busy, make your head grow dizzy. Tear in your eye, your dress will tear. So oh, hear my prayer. Just compare my heart, bird and herd, dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the letter, how it's written. Now assuredly I will not plague you with such words as plaque and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stick, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem and so. Hear my say, devoid of tricky. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typod, meslis, topsails, islis. Excels, miles, and rivals. Scholar, vicar, and kigar. Solar, mica, bar, and far. One anemone, balmoral. Kitchen, lechin, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind, and mind. Sin, melpomen, mankind. Bellet does not rhyme with a bullet. Bucket, wallet, mullet, chalet. Science consists scientific. Liberty, library, heaven. Rachel, Achi, Ostach, 11. We say hallowed but allowed. People, leopard, towed but vowed. Mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover, leeches, breeches, wise prices. Chalice but police and lies. Camel, constable, unstable. Principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. With surprise, plate, promise, pal. Worm, storm, chase, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tor, but hour, and succour for. Gas, alas, arcanas. Sia, idea, Korea, area. Paslang, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, lens, and clean. Doctrine, Tuprentin, marine. Compare alien with the Italian. Sally with Ali, yeah, yeah. I, yeah, I, we, and K. Say ever, but ever, fever. Nether, leisure, skin, deceiver, organic, canary, crevasse, device, and error. Face but perfect, not efes. Belgam, belgamatic, as, glass, mass. Large but target, gen, give, virgin, out, just, and scar, and scourging. Ear but earn, and wear, and tear. Do not rhyme with a here but ear. 7 is right, but so is Evan. Hyphen, Rowan, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, torque, and jerk. As, grab, was, and corp work. Is Spelling, stout, spiky, want it make it use. We waits, writing, growths, and saying griefs. It's dark, abyss, or tunnel, strewn with stone, Gunwell, Leslo. Slee of weight, housewife, burdeck, and endek, finally, which rhymes with enough, tough, drop, flop, or dough, or cough. High cough has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up.